So children, we are doing 9th CBSE model paper. Okay, from DAV, that is DAV school model paper, that is. Once check. So, first question. What is the effect of sprinkling of water on the roof of open ground? On the open ground, if you sprinkle water, what happens, children? On the open ground, if you sprinkle water, what happens? What is the effect of sprinkling of water on the roof or open ground? On the roof or open ground, all this water gets
Evaporate.
evaporated. Evaporation leads to cooling effect. Always, children, whenever water evaporates, we'll get cooling, children. Okay, on the roof of our house, if you sprinkle water, it will take the heat from the house and it gets evaporated, and because it is taking away heat from the house, we'll get cooling effect. Evaporation leads to cooling effect. That's why, children, if they serve milk or tea or coffee in cup, it will be very hot. If you want to make it cool, you put in saucer. Why? If you put in saucer, due to more evaporation leads to cooling effect. Like that, children. Okay, try to understand. Second question. A person applies some force on the alibara, but it does not move. Give reason. A person applies some force on an alvara, but it does not move. Give reason. Children, there is big alvara. A person is applying force, but it is not moving. Why? It's not moving because his
mass is less than almaram.
Because
Almara's
mass of almara is
more than the
more. So force needed is also more. If you want to move the almara, you need more force, more momentum, because more mass, more force. F is directly proportional to mass from Newton's second law. Okay, third one, children, what they are saying? Which type of plastic stores starch, oil and proteins? Which type of
Leucoplast.
Leucoplast stores. Leucoplast is for storing, children. Okay. Chromoplast is for coloring. Plastids are for chlorophyll is for trapping sunlight. Leucoplast stores, children. Leucoplast is for storing. Children. Next, a solution of alcohol in water has been prepared by mixing 150 ml of alcohol. In 600 ml of water. Okay. Question is, calculate the volume percentage. Okay. Volume of solute, children. Volume of solute by volume of solute plus volume of solvent into 100. How much, children? 150 by 150 plus 600 into 100. So 150 into 100 by 750. Coming. 20%. This is 20%. Okay, just be online, children. 1 second, just keep copying. I'll come in 1 minute. Keep copying. So children, volume by volume percentage. Okay, volume by volume percentage is 20% of alcohol is present. 20% of alcohol is present. Next. Next your question, children. Fifth question. So fifth question is like this: a man weighing 600 Newton, weight is 600 Newton, on the surface of the earth was taken. What would be his mass if his weight on the surface of the moon? So children, man weighs 600 Newton on earth. What would be his mass and weight on the surface of the moon? So it didn't use G on the moon. G on the moon I will tell, but see children, on the earth we know M into G. 600 Newton is equal to M into G on earth is 10. We all know that. So mass is how much, children? 60 kg. Mass is 60 kg on earth, children. This is on earth. But on moon means you should take acceleration due to gravity on the moon. So weight on the moon he is asking. Weight on the moon is equal to, mass will never change. It will be remain same. Gravity on the moon is 10 by 6, children. Remember always 1/6 of the earth. Gravity on the moon is 1/6 of the earth. So 6 tens are tens are. So weight on the moon is how much, children? 100 Newton. Weight on the moon is 100 Newton. Like this you should do, children. First I found out mass. Mass remains same everywhere on the in the universe. Then I found out weight on the moon, children. Okay. I rub it, copy. State to distinguish points between cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall and cell membrane. Neeraj, tell me two differences. Cell wall is present only in plants. Cell membrane is present?
Animals.
Animals and plants.
Plants.
Cell wall is made up of?
Cellulose.
Cellulose. Cell membrane is made up of?
Lipid.
Lipids and?
Proteins.
Lipids and proteins. Lipids and proteins, like this. You should be in a position to substantiate your answer, children. Okay. Next, seventh question. Do the roots of plant continue growing after the tips are removed? Explain, giving reason. Children, these are the roots of the plants, children. These are the roots of the plants. These are the roots of the plants. If you remove the tips, do they grow, children? Means if you cut the tips, do they grow? If you cut the tips, do they grow, children? Means you are removing apical meristem. If you remove apical meristem, do they grow, children? Yes, children, they grow. They grow in branches. They grow in branches. If you remove a tip, if you remove, suppose stem is also there, children. Stem is growing very, very long like this. Okay, tall like this. If you remove the topping, it is called in botany. It is called topping. Then you will get so many branches, children. Then you will get so many branches. If you remove the tip, you will get so many branches. Does it grow? Means yes, because of presence of meristematic tissue. Because of presence of meristematic tissue, it will grow, children. Because apical meristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristems, all are there. They will grow, children. They will not die. With the help of activity, show that diffusion becomes faster with the increase in temperature. Diffusion is faster with increase in temperature. With increase in temperature. Yes, children. Yes. With an example is asking, given with an help of activity, show that diffusion becomes faster with increase in temperature. Yes, children, anyone? Any example? Any example? What is diffusion? Movement of molecules from high concentrated region to low concentrated region. Low concentrated region. What you take, children? You take a flask. Okay, in the water you mix some ink, children. Okay, normal temperature you will see slowly it will be dissolving. Now what you do, children? You heat it. If you heat it, immediately it dissolves, children. It dissolves very fast. By which small activity you have to show. You have to write on your own, children. You have to write aim for activity, apparatus, okay, procedure, diagram, conclusion, observations, everything you should write, children. Okay. If you put ink in the water, it will dissolve slowly, children. Diffusion occurs slowly. But same thing, if you increase the temperature, immediately diffusion occurs and it dissolves in the water. This shows that with increasing temperature, diffusion becomes faster. With increasing temperature, diffusion becomes faster. Okay? So many examples we can give, children, but this is the best example. Small example I have. Give the difference between mixture and compound. So many times I told children, give the difference between mixture and compound. Mixture has variable composition. Mixture has variable composition. Mixture has variable composition, whereas compound has fixed composition. Okay? And suppose mixture is there. Iron plus sulfur. If you mix it, it is a mixture. But when you heat it, iron sulfide is formed. That is a compound. Okay, children? Here, properties are retained. Properties are retained. Means iron will have iron properties, sulfur will have sulfur properties. Iron will have iron properties, sulfur will have. Whereas here, new properties is formed. New properties are formed. In compound, new properties are formed. Okay, one more example. Water is a compound. Okay, air is a mixture. Like that, so many examples we can give, because air consists of so many gases without reacting with each other. You should be in a position to substantiate, children. 10th question. How will you interpret the following graphs? Children, 3 graphs I will give. You please tell me, children, what you understood. Okay. Speed time graph. Speed time means velocity time graph. This is displacement time graph. And this is velocity time graph. Yes, children, first one, it is like this, children. Speed time graph, it is there like this. Can anyone tell what is this, children? Anyone?
Retardation.
Retardation, very good. Retardation. Retardation. Children, this is like this. What does it indicate, children?
Time can't go.
No, like this it is there. Like this. It is changing. See, time is changing. Time is changing. Displacement is also changing. Non-uniform
motion.
Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Next, can anyone say what is this?
Non-uniform acceleration.
Non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. If it goes straight, uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. So children, you should understand, children. You should substantiate your answer with the given things in exam. You should understand and you should write. Okay, neatly you should write. If they ask 2 points, you should write 3. If they ask 3, you should write 4. More you should write, and try to give as many examples as possible. Draw small diagrams and try to reflect your answers, children. Hope you all copied all these answers. Next. 11th question. What is 11th question? Means state the laws of inertia. State the law of inertia. Question is first. State the law of inertia. What is inertia, children? It is inability of a body. Inability of a body. What is the law of inertia? Inability of a body to change position or motion or direction on its own. On its own. It can't change anything on its own, children. Okay, law of inertia states that inability of body. A body is at rest, remains at rest only. A body is in motion, keeps on moving. A body, anything, it can't stop on its own, children. Anything, we have to. If it has to move, we have to apply force. If it has to stop, we have to apply force. If it has to change direction, we have. Inability of body to change state of rest. Inability to change state of rest, motion or direction on its own. Inability of a body to change state of rest, motion or direction on its own. Inability to change state of rest, motion or direction on its own. Next, why do we fall in forward direction if bus stops suddenly? If bus stops suddenly, why do we fall forward?
Due to inertia of motion.
Due to inertia of motion. Due to inertia of motion, we all fall front because our lower part of the body will come to rest, but upper part of the body continues to move. Lower part of the body comes to rest, upper part of the body continues to move. Next. And why do we fall back?
Due to inertia stress.
Due to inertia at rest, we all will fall back when bus starts suddenly. Okay. Next, 12th question. See children, a stone released from the top of tower of height 19.6 meters. Height is 19.6 meters children. Calculate its final velocity just touching the ground. On touching the ground, what is its velocity? On touching the ground, what is its velocity? Children, what is its velocity on touching the ground, children? Yes.
Equal to root 2 GH.
Velocity while hitting the ground formula? Root 2 GH. Velocity while touching the ground formula? Root 2 GH. How you got formula? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Because it is falling freely, U is 0. V square is equal to 2. This is G. This is H. So V square is equal to 2 into 9.8 into 19.6. So V square is equal to 19.6 into 19.6. Keep copying. V square is equal to 19.6 whole square. So V is equal to 19.6 meters per second is the velocity while hitting the ground. When it falls, this body from this much height it falls, it will hit with 19.6 meters per second. What is the velocity while hitting the ground formula? V is equal to root 2 GH. Don't forget, V is equal to root 2 GH. Write 5, 6 times. Try to see derivation. Next, 13th question. Derive the formula for Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law states that force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. Force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. Okay, F is equal to m into V minus U by T. But V minus U by T we know it as F is equal to ma. This is Newton's second law derivation. Newton's second law states that force is directly proportional to rate. Rate means by time, change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum. Taking m common, V minus U by T. Rate of change of speed is acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. What is acceleration, children? Rate of change of velocity. What is acceleration? Rate means by time. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Like this we have to derive, children. 14th question. What happens to the magnitude of the force of gravitation between two objects? When distance is tripled, masses is doubled, mass of both objects as well as distance of them is doubled. So 3 questions, children. We know F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. First question, if distance is tripled, see here, if distance is tripled, children, f1 by f2. f1 is G m1 m2 by r square. f1 is G m1 m2 by r square. f2 is G m1 m2 by 3r whole square. Tripled means 3r whole square. This whole thing gets cancelled. f1 by f2 is equal to 1 by r square by 1 by 9r square. Okay, children, r square cancel. 9 will go up. So children, f1 by f2 is equal to 9 by 1. Okay, so f2 goes up, 9 comes down. What do you write, children? f2 is equal to f1 by 9. It is becoming 1 by 9 of original. Children, f2 is equal to 1 by 9 of original. f2 is equal to 1 by 9 of original. Now next is asking if only objects are doubled. So again, those who didn't understand, see now, f1 by f2, G m1 m2 by r square. Only masses are doubled. This is doubled. This is also doubled. But radius he did not do anything. G r square m1 m2 cancel. f1 by f2 is equal to, this is 1 by 2 by 1. This goes here, children, this goes here. f1 by f2 is equal to 1 by 2. f2 comes here, 2 goes here. f2 is equal to 2 times of f1. Force is doubling. Force is doubling. When all are doubled, so children, f1 by f2, G m1 m2 by r square is for f1. For f2, G 2m1 2m2 2r whole square. Okay, so f1 by f2 is equal to G cancel, m1 m2 cancel, 1 by r square by 2 2s of 4, children, 4 by 4r square. Okay, children, r square cancel. So f1 by f2 is equal to 1 by 4 by 4. This will go here, this will go here. F1 by F2 is equal to 4 by 4. That is F1 is equal to F2. So force remains same. Force does not change. When masses and distances are doubled, force does not change. When only the distance is doubled, force is becoming 1/9 of original. When only distance is tripled, force is becoming 1/9. When only masses are doubled, force is becoming double. When masses and distance are doubled, force is unchanged. It is becoming same. Next. Name the elements of xylem. What are the xylem tissue consists of? In xylem, what are the things present, children? What are the cells present?
Xylem parenchyma.
Xylem fibers,
Tracheids.
xylem parenchyma, tracheids, vessels. And you have to draw diagram, children. Please see the textbook and please learn diagram, children. Please to learn diagram also. And next, in this only one more question is there. Explain the components of nucleus. What are present in the nucleus of the cell? Children, in the nucleus of the cell, what are the components?
Nucleoid.
Nuclear wall. First is nuclear wall.
Nuclear membrane.
Nuclear wall. Next, nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm means the liquid which is present inside the nucleus. Next, what is this called, children?
Nucleolus.
Nucleolus, a dark stain. And most important thing is chromosomes. Okay, children. Okay, so what we have present, children? Nuclear wall is present, nucleoplasm is present, nucleolus is present, chromosomes are present. Okay, normally they will be in the form of chromatin reticulum. Chromosomes will be in the form of chromatin, but when cell is about to divide, it changes into chromosome. I told you, children. Okay, these are called chromosomes. What are these called, children? Chromosomes. Okay, in the chromosomes, what will be present? DNA. In the DNA, what is present, children? Gene. Genes are the functional units of DNA. What are genes? Genes are the functional units of DNA. So, nuclear wall means which covers the nucleus. Nucleoplasm means the liquid which is present inside the nucleus fluid. And nucleus is a dark stained body which helps in during cell division. Chromosomes, you know, it helps in transfer of characters from parents to offspring. Next question, children. I sent the paper. Please open and see, children. All of you, don't sit idle. Please open and see. 16th question. What they are saying is differentiate between striated, unstriated and cardiac muscles on the basis of structure, location. So, children, striated, unstriated, cardiac. Okay, children. So, children, striated have striations. What are striations? Dark and white bands. Dark and white bands. Okay. Unstriated muscles don't have striations. Cardiac muscles have striations. They are voluntary. They are involuntary. They don't listen to us. They are also involuntary. They are also involuntary. Okay, children. Next, they are present on the skeleton. Because skeleton, like hands and legs, whenever we want, we will move. No, they are attached to skeleton. They are attached to internal organs. They are present in internal organs. Cardiac muscles, where they are present?
Heart.
In the heart. Okay, and this is branch. This is branch. This is not branch. This is not branch. Here, multinucleate. Here, uninucleate. Here also almost one or two nuclei are present, children. Diagrams also you should learn, children. If you learn diagrams, compulsory diagrams also you should draw. Without diagram you won't get marks. Small diagrams, children, not a beautiful diagram. Small diagrams to represent your answers. Next, 17th question. Name the cell organelle that has powerful digestive enzymes. Anyone?
Mitochondria.
No, lysosome.
Lysosomes.
Lysosomes have powerful digestive enzymes. Lysosomes have powerful digestive enzymes. Lysosomes have powerful digestive enzymes. What will happen if the organization of cell is destroyed due to some physical or chemical influence? If cell is about to die, what happens?
Lysosomes eat up the cell.
Lysosomes engulf its own cell. That's why lysosomes are called suicidal bags.
Suicidal bags.
Okay, when cell is about to die due to any problem in the cell, then lysosomes will engulf its own cell by releasing digestive enzymes. It will digest and it will engulf its own cell. That's why lysosomes are called suicidal bags of cell. Name one crop which can tolerate water logging in the field.
Paddy.
Paddy field. Paddy field can tolerate water logging. Which cannot? Any other crop you say, children? Pulse crop cannot withstand. Paddy field can withstand water logging. Compulsory for paddy field, we need water logging always. In water conditions only paddy field they will keep, children. Next, give two sources of irrigation. Children, give two sources of irrigation. Give two sources of irrigation. Dams, canals, lakes.
Lakes.
Okay, it's not there for your syllabus, I think, children. What happens when mature wheat crop is irrigated? Children, mature wheat crop is irrigated. Children, wheat crop should not be irrigated after this mature, children, because it is ready for harvesting. Okay, anyway, it's not there in your syllabus. I am not discussing this, children. 19th question. Even I have doubt about this wheat crop. 19th question. Suppose you are in charge of grain store. How will you find out presence of pests? Which method is, again, children, this is also not there, no, for your syllabus. Pests or fumigations, etc., it's not there for your syllabus. So I am not discussing, children. For this year only it is not there. Normally it is there every year. Explain, giving example, the various factors on which rate of evaporation depends. Is it there for your syllabus, children? Rate of evaporation? It's not there, but just a small discussion I will do, children, because physics and chemistry we should not leave, children. Okay, so rate of evaporation depends upon surface area, outside temperature, and outside humidity, and it also depends upon wind speed. Okay, children. So less surface area, more surface area. Where more evaporation takes place, more surface area. Outside temperature more, outside temperature less. If outside temperature is more, then evaporation also will be more, because it is very hot now. That's why during summer season we sweat a lot. Outside humidity is more, then evaporation will be less, because already outside water is more. No, why evaporation again? No. Wind speed is more, then evaporation also will be more. Okay, this is not there for the syllabus, children. Leave. One more question is there, children, on 20th. Please go through the questions, children. I have sent the paper. Please see the question. 20th. A spoon of sugar is added to beaker containing 500 ml of water. Okay, in 500 ml of water, children, a spoon of sugar is added. A spoon of sugar is added in 500 ml. State any two observations recorded. Account for your observations. State any two observations. So, children, when 500 ml sugar is added, so it forms a solution. All solution characters you tell, children. Solutions are homogeneous. And they are highly stable. And they are transparent. Okay, children. And they do not scatter light. They do not show Tyndall effect. Sugar solution. No? Account for your observation. You have to say, because it is a solution. Actually, that is the answer. Naphthalene balls disappears. Why? After some days. Naphthalene balls disappears. Why? Anyone? Due to? Why? Very good. Sublimation. Naphthalene balls disappears due to sublimation. Next, 21st question. Name the method which is most suitable for separating the following. Yes, children, come on, first one. Methods to separate, children. First one, who will tell? Oxygen from air. Who will tell? How do you separate oxygen from air? Anyone?
Fractional distillation.
Very good, fantastic. Fractional distillation. Okay, second one. Red blood cells from plasma. Yes, anyone? Centrifugation. Next, petrol and kerosene from crude oil.
Fractional distillation.
Very good. Petrol and kerosene from crude oil, fractional distillation. Children, you should know, children, again. At this moment also, if you can't say, it is very difficult. Next, coffee grains from coffee solution. Anyone? Filtration. Coffee grains from coffee is by simple filtration. Next, amino acids from fruit juice. Yes, children, amino acids from fruit juice. Both are miscible liquids. Miscible liquids means go for distillation.
Distillation, sir.
Go for distillation. Ethanol from water. Both are miscible liquids. Distillation. Yeah, miscible liquids means distillation. Immiscible means separating funnel. Okay. Next. Butter from curd. Centrifugation. Butter from curd. Centrifugation. Okay. Next. Different pigments from paints. Different pigments.
Separating funnel.
Chromatography. These are the ways by which we can separate. Okay, separating funnel is used for immiscible liquids like oil and water, all those things. Next. Twenty-first orbit I am discussing. See here, children, 21st orbit. No, 21st normal only, not orbit. A solution contains 40 grams of salt. 40 gram of salt is there, children. Please do the numerical, all of you. 320 grams of water. Please do your numerical, children. 320 grams of water. Question is, calculate the mass by mass percentage. 40 by 40 plus 320 into 100. 40 into 100 by 360. 4 nines, 100 by 9 percentage. You have to simplify, children. 100 by 9 percentage. Okay. 21st B bit, that is. 21st C bit. 21st A bit over B bit over C bit. A solution contains 40 ml of ethanol. 40 ml of ethanol. 40 ml of ethanol in 100 ml of water. In 100 ml of water. 40 ml of ethanol in 100 ml of water. A solution contains 40 ml of ethanol in 100 ml of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of volume percentage of the solution. Volume percentage. 40 grams.
Volume of solute by
40 plus 100 into 100. Okay, so 40 into 100 by 140. This is going to the 7s. So 200 by 7 percentage. Please simplify the exemption. Next, 22. No, 21 only orbit is there. 21 only orbit is there. He is asking you to explain chromatography. Just now I told it is used in separating the dyes from the colors. It is used to separate dyes from the colors. How will you separate red and blue ink using this technique? State two applications of centrifugation. Okay, children, yesterday I told you, children, red and blue ink, how you separate means you put here, children, red ink and blue ink and dip it in water, children, dip it in water. When you dip it in water, red color will go to certain height and blue color will go to certain height. This is how we can differentiate. Take a filter paper, put red ink and blue ink together, children, dip it in water. As the water is going, blue ink and red ink will go to different heights, children. That is how we can separate. Simple technique, children. In higher classes you study more techniques. Centrifugation applications. Anyone?
Churning of butter.
Butter from curd. Butter from curd. Drying water in washing machine. Okay, in blood test and urine test. In blood and urine test. This centrifugation is used in blood and urine test. Next one. Next 22nd one, children. Please see here. 22nd question, what they are asking means, in 22nd question they are asking children, define momentum states its SI unit. Anyone? Momentum definition?
Product of mass.
Product of mass and velocity. Momentum is product of mass and velocity. Units?
kg meters per second.
Kg meter per second. Okay, mass means kg, velocity means meter per second. Momentum is definition is product of mass and velocity. Momentum definition is product of mass and velocity. Momentum definition is product of mass and velocity. Units are kg meter per second. Okay, compulsory you should write formula. In physics you have to write formula and you have to write units whether they ask or not. In chemistry you should write reactions. In biology you should draw diagrams. That's it children, whether they ask or not you should do it. An object of mass 80 kg is there children. An object of mass is there 80 kg. Please keep copying children, all of you. Is accelerated uniformly from a velocity of 4 to 8. Initially it is going 4 meters per second. Next it became 8 meters per second in only 4 seconds children. Sorry, in 8 seconds. Question is, calculate the initial and final momentums and force. Initial momentum children, anyone? Initial momentum?
4 meter per second.
Mass into initial velocity, 80 into 4, that is 320 kg meter per second. Final momentum, mass into
640.
final velocity,
640.
640 kg meter per second. What is force? Final momentum minus initial momentum by time. Final momentum minus initial momentum by time. So how much is that children? Final momentum minus initial momentum by time is how much? 640 minus
320 by 8.
So how much children? 40 Newton. 40 Newton is the force applied because rate of change of momentum. Okay children, rate of change of momentum is force. Rate of change of momentum is force. Next. Okay, this is 22nd children. 22nd orbit is there children. Please keep seeing. On the second children, we already. Yeah, 22nd orbit is there. Please see here. Why? When a carpet is beaten with a stick, dust comes out. Why? When a carpet is beaten with stick, dust comes out due to
Inertia force.
inertia at rest. Okay, due to inertia at rest, the dust will come out. Explain it. You have to write explain about the inertia at rest, children, definition, everything you should write. Calculate the force required. Calculate the force required if object of 50 kg, mass is 50 kg, please keep copying children, mass is 50 kg. Okay, mass of 50 kg is accelerated from, oh this is over, no sorry. Calculate the force required to impart a car with a velocity of 30 meters per second. To impart a car with velocity of 30 meters per second in 10 seconds, starting from rest. Okay, starting from rest. The mass of car is 15,000 kg. Mass of car is 15,000 kg. Yes. Who will tell? Who will tell how to do this sum? Srinidh Gaur, can you tell how to do this sum? Srinidh Gaur, F is equal to M into A. F is equal to M into Vd minus U by T. So F is equal to M is how much? 1500. 30 minus 0 by 10 children. So 1500 into 30 by 10 is 3.
15,000 sir.
Okay. So 45,000 Newton is the answer. 45,000 Newton. Next 23rd question children. What is motion? What is a motion? Definition children. Motion. Motion is change of position of particle with respect to other object. With respect to other object, if you are changing the change of position of object with respect to other object, change of position of object with respect to other object. with one object, if you are changing its position, then it is called motion, children. Next, state the types of motion. We have so many motions, children. Linear motion means straight line motion. Circular motion means what, children? Moving in a circle, like that. So many motions are there, children. Next, write the unit of acceleration. Acceleration units, anyone? Meters. Meter per second square. Units for acceleration is meter per second square, because acceleration is velocity by time. Velocity is meter per second. Already one more time is there. So meter per second square. You should remember. Next. 24th, children. 23 orbit. 23 orbit is there. An athlete runs on a circular track of radius 50 meters. An athlete runs on a circular track of radius 50 meters. Athlete runs on a circular track of radius 50 meters from starting point A with a constant speed. It takes 50 seconds for him to reach the point B. So from point A to point B, it will take 50 seconds for him to reach point B, which is at other end of diameter. This is A, this is B. So to come here, it is taking 50 seconds, children. Calculate the distance covered and displacement. Yes, children, half of the circle distance formula, pi r. 2 pi r is full circle, half circle is pi r. So pi into 50, so 3.14 into 50, that is how much, children? 1.5, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 2, 1.57 meters. This is distance. Whereas displacement, anyone? What is
100
displacement?
meters.
50 plus 50, that is 100 meters. Okay, children, and this is 157 meters.
Yeah.
This is 157 meters, this is 100 meters. This is 157 meters, this is 100 meters. Next. What do you mean by inland fisheries? Fisheries, poultry farming, all these things are not there, children. So to fisheries and poultry is not there, that's why I am not saying, children. 25th question. Write the which of the following is not a suspension? Not a suspension. Children, soil in water is?
No, it is suspension.
It is a suspension. Chalk in water is also suspension. Chalk in water is also suspension. Sand in water also?
Suspension.
Suspension. Then copper sulfate in water.
Not
This
a
is not suspension. Copper sulfate in water is not a suspension. Okay, children, next. Tyndall effect you will see only in colloids. Tyndall effect you can see only in colloids. So children, in solutions can you see? No. Next, in starch can you see, children? In starch? In starch in the water is a solution or is it a colloid or suspension, children? Starch in water. It's a colloid. Yes, here we can see. Okay. Next, alum in water. Alum in water is a suspension. We can't see. And table salt in water. Salt in water is solution. We can't see. Okay, so like that you should have to identify. Next, when we start heating a mixture of sulfur powder and iron filings, we observe that, what we observe? Sulfur melt, iron melt, mixture becomes hot, mixture evaporates. So children, when mixture of iron and sulfur are heated, iron sulfide is forming. Iron sulfide is forming. So sulfur starts melting, iron starts melting, and mixture becomes hot, mixture evaporates. So sulfur starts melting, children, and reacts with the iron. Sulfur starts melting and reacts with the iron. Okay, children. So some more small questions are there, children. You do on your own, children, please. Some more small questions are there. Do on your own. I have sent the link also in the group. Please do the questions. Only MCQs are left over, children. Just last 10 MCQs are there. Do on your own, children. Please leave the group, children. 10th class people are going to join.